the tray. The water level is good today. Yes, the flow is steady. Good for the trees. The load is steady. Keep the pace. The wheels hold. We'll be at the grove soon. Good. The fruit looks fine. These are the large ripe ones. Yes, and these are for the smaller batch. Check the color for ripeness. These are good. Pack them tight. Yes, they'll arrive in perfect condition. Good. Keep going. This one is ripe and firm. Yes, excellent color. Check for any bruising. None visible.
We sort the ripe ones first, yes, and space them out evenly. This allows for good airflow. Then the sun does its work. The cross-cut helps them dry evenly. Yes, and space them apart. This batch is looking good.
Look here, a pest on this leaf. Yes, I'll clean the underside. Good. Check the veins. Careful now, don't bruise them. Yes, stacking them high for the trucks.
These persimmons look so fresh.
Yes, perfect for sharing.
I'll take a few.
Check this one for bruising. No damage. The persimmons are firm. Good. No spoilage. Ready for the next one? Yes, lifting now. Got it. Stack them tight. Almost done.
This row is almost full. Yes, and this one too. They look perfect now.
This mulch will hold the moisture. Yes, and it keeps the weeds down. Good. We'll check the moisture soon. Squeeze gently. We need every drop for the recipe. Yes, the color is perfect. Keep it steady. Good. Now for the next batch. This mulch will keep the soil moist. Yes, it's vital in this dry weather. We'll cover all the young trees today. Good. The persimmons will thank us.
See the color? Bright orange means it's ripe. Yes, and it's firm but gives a little.
Can I pick one?
Of course. Reach up gently. Good job. Now, feel how ripe it is.
The ones on the higher branches look best. I'll get them. Steady on the ladder. Yes, got it.
The sun is strong today. They will dry quickly. Yes, let's spread them out evenly. I'll check these ones over here.
The temperature log is stable. Let's check the probe. Humidity is at 55% of the spec. Good. Let's get a spot reading with the handheld. It's showing 23.3 degrees. Careful with this one, it's heavy. Got it. Keep them coming.
The stack is getting full.
One more row should do it.
This one looks perfect for us.
Yes, it has a lovely color.
I want this one.
Good choice. Let's get a few more.
That should be enough. This one has a very smooth texture. Let me see. Yes, and no spots under magnification. Check the stenary closely. It's clear. This batch is high quality. These natural nutrients will make the fruits grow strong. Yes, the trees look healthier already. Let's get this row finished before midday. These persimmons look ripe. Check for any soft spots. This one is firm. I'll set it aside. Good. Keep the line moving. Understood. This batch is looking very good. Excellent. Let's continue.
These are looking very good today. Yes, the color is perfect. Stack them neatly. The market is busy. We must hurry. Almost finished. These will sell fast.
Let's check the soil nutrients here. Good. We need optimal levels for the persimmons. The pH is 6.8 and NPK levels look balanced. Excellent. The trees will thrive. Stack them tight on the right. Got it. Keep them coming.
These are heavy this morning.
Almost done. One more load.
First, we slice the persimmons thinly, like this. Yes, it helps them dry evenly for the desserts. Exactly. Now, let's put them in the bowl. Perfect. They're ready for the syrup. Gently now, we don't want to bruise them.
Got it. This branch is ready.
Perfect, they're falling nicely.
This basket's nearly full.
These persimmons are perfectly ripe. Yes, the best of the season. They look wonderful. How much? 2 for $1. I'll take 4, please. Of course. Thank you.
Stack them neatly on the top shelf. Yes, and let's keep them level.
First, we slice the persimmons thinly like this. They look so fresh and juicy. Now, we arrange the slices nicely on the platter. Perfect. Let's try one.
Check this pipe joint for leaks. It's secure. Opening the valve now. Good flow. Trees will get enough. Yes, the orchard will thrive. Fresh persimmons, sweet and juicy, straight from the orchard.
And dried ones too, perfect for snacking.
How much for the dried ones?
5 yuan per jin, very fresh. These will look beautiful for the buyers. Yes, they are so fresh and colorful. Let's arrange them in patterns on these trays.
Check the alignment. No bruising. Understood. Spacing is good. Gently now into the tray. Perfect condition. Next batch. Good. Keep the pace.